Diane Mom Garden Videos.
Well, we're in September and I'm harvesting some seeds today because we got some rain coming. But you can see these areas here. This is a petunia plant. You can see where the little seed heads are. Look at that. So I'm going to pull it off. Pull it off. Some have more seeds than others. You see all the little seeds in there? See all these little areas here? These are the seeds. Like I said, some have more seeds in than others. Some have fallen off to the ground already, so I'm sure I'll get petunias in here next year. This is this petunia here. I forget the name of it. It's very pretty, but we're getting at the end of the season where everything's getting to look kind of fallish. And will these come back this way next year? Probably not, but there might be a very interesting colors. Some seeds. Getting a lot of other stuff in there. But you can see all the seeds, can't you? Look at that. So I got quite a few petunia seeds, so we're going to screen them, see how they do. So we'll just I'm going to dump them out on here, and I got a plate underneath. My, look at that. The bigger stuff will not fall. You see those down there? There's quite a few seeds, ain't there? I wanted to show you what the green area looks like. This is what they look like when they're out on the plant, still green. See that pod in there? Here's a nice big one. I'm just going to let dry a little bit more. So I got quite a bit of stuff. It looks like I need just a little bit smaller screen yet. But this will help a lot, and you know, you can plant them like that. It doesn't hurt anything. But I got the bigger stuff out. That was the main thing. Right now you can really see the seed. See all the black seed over here? We got a lot of little stuff in there, but God, there's oodles of seeds. Look at all those. Watch. You can see them, right? So isn't that fun? I still got some other ones I want to pick from yet. I got some pink petunias that I wanted to pull some seeds off of yet. Well, I'm going to take this in the house now, and I am going to just let it dry a little bit more because I got a little wet here in the greenhouse just from my watering. So they'll be fine though. You can see that they're dry. I just wanted to share that with you. Now's the time to collect your petunia seeds. We're in the fall. The seeds heads are turning brown and they're ready to be picked.